Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. Today we re-diving into the world of Intel stock to see whether it's on the verge of a major breakout. Intel has long been a dominant force in the tech industry, known for producing some of the fastest and most efficient microprocessors available. Despite facing its share of challenges over the years, the company's commitment to innovation has kept it ahead of the curve. Investors have consistently favored Intel stock thanks to its solid financial performance and reliable dividend payouts. Intel's market leadership stems from its ability to stay ahead of evolving tech trends. With significant investments in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, Intel is positioning itself for long-term growth. Its strong brand recognition and robust distribution network have also helped the company maintain a competitive advantage. However, the tech sector is ever-changing, and staying innovative is crucial for Intel's continued success. Adapting to market shifts and anticipating future trends will determine how well the company performs moving forward. Intel's financials have remained strong, with consistent revenue growth and expanding profit margins. The company's expansion into sectors like data centers and autonomous vehicles has helped reduce its reliance on the traditional PC market. This strategic diversification has opened up new revenue streams and increased competitiveness. Intel's commitment to research and development has played a vital role in driving both innovation and business expansion. As Intel navigates the shifting tech landscape, its stock price has experienced increased volatility. Investors are closely monitoring Intel's decisions to assess their potential impact on the company's value. In a market full of uncertainty, staying well-informed is key. Intel presents a higher risk, high-reward opportunity that could appeal to investors willing to embrace a bit of risk for the potential of higher returns. The company also faces fierce competition from major tech players, especially in artificial intelligence and cloud computing. Rivals like AMD and Nvidia have made substantial gains, putting pressure on Intel's market share. As new technologies emerge, Intel is challenged to invest heavily in R&D to stay relevant. The ability to match the pace of innovation set by competitors will be critical to maintaining its position in the industry. The global chip shortage has significantly impacted Intel's operations, disrupting supply chains and slowing production. While the company has made efforts to address these challenges, the effects are still being felt in its financials. Additionally, Intel's reliance on global trade leaves it vulnerable to tariffs and geopolitical tensions. Operating on an international scale brings both opportunities and complexities that Intel must manage effectively. Intel's focus on emerging technologies is evident through its bold investments in product development initiatives. The company's R&D efforts aim to introduce cutting-edge solutions that fuel growth and sharpen its competitive edge. However, such investments come with high costs, and Intel must find a balance between innovation and maintaining profitability. Investors will be watching closely for signs of sustainable growth and financial stability. Partnerships with leading tech firms have also played a significant role in Intel's growth journey. Collaborations with companies like Google and Microsoft have allowed Intel to enter new markets and create innovative products. These alliances provide valuable resources and shared expertise, helping Intel push the boundaries of what's possible. The ability to form and sustain strategic partnerships is a major contributor to Intel's success. Recent earnings reports have drawn significant attention from investors, many of whom are looking for signs of consistent growth and stability. While Intel's results have been generally positive, its forward-looking guidance has remained cautious, reflecting the uncertainties that continue to affect the tech market. The success of Intel's strategies will be closely tied to how well the company navigates these uncertain conditions. Market dynamics are constantly shifting, and Intel must evolve accordingly to stay ahead. Although its investments have positioned it for future growth, short-term challenges remain. Successfully managing the complexities of the tech world will be vital for Intel to continue building value. Its stock price volatility is a direct reflection of these market fluctuations. Broader economic trends, including international trade policies and tariffs, have also influenced Intel's stock performance. The company's strong fundamentals offer a solid base, but external pressures make predicting future outcomes more difficult. How Intel responds to these macroeconomic challenges will play a key role in shaping investor confidence. Based on current data, Intel stock has notable potential for growth. Driven by its strategic investments and financial strength, continued innovation and a proactive approach to market changes will be essential. While short-term risks exist, The long-term outlook appears promising for those who can withstand a bit of volatility. Analysis shows that Intel could be on the brink of substantial gains thanks to its strong fundamentals and focus on technological advancement. If the company continues to adapt effectively, it may reward investors who are willing to take calculated risks. Intel's growth story is still unfolding and many eyes are on its next moves. Intel's financial performance, marked by revenue expansion and healthy margins, underlines its potential. The company's innovation strategy and market adaptability position it well for long-term success. Although stock price fluctuations are likely to continue, the broader perspective remains optimistic. The key insight is clear. Intel stock holds the potential for significant growth fueled by its financial discipline and technological investments. Navigating market changes and competitive pressures will be central to realizing this potential. For risk-tolerant investors, Intel represents a compelling opportunity with strong upside potential. All signs point to the possibility of substantial gains ahead for Intel stock. Assuming it can continue executing its long-term strategies, the combination of innovation, partnerships, and market adaptation places the company in a favorable position. While risk remains, the long-term outlook is encouraging, and many investors will be watching closely to see what happens next. In closing, Intel's stock represents a unique mix of opportunity and uncertainty. With its strong performance record and strategic vision, the company could deliver substantial returns in the years to come. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into another promising stock. Don't forget to like and comment with your thoughts on Intel's future.